Everyone either owns or wishes to own a car. There are numerous companies in the automobile manufacturing industry. These businesses are involved in creating, designing, manufacturing, marketing, and selling automobiles. This industry has seen significant growth and popularity over the years, and most people are now aware of it. The company's main products are passenger cars and light trucks such as SUVs, vans, and pickups. Commercial vehicles are also important in the automobile industry, but they are secondary. The automobile manufacturing industry, like any other, has its titans. Several companies are known for producing high-quality automobiles and earning large profits from automobile sales. This industry is highly competitive, with each automobile manufacturer releasing new models each year that feature cutting-edge technology. Let's take an exclusive look at the world's top 7 richest car companies in 2022. Welcome to our Finance for Luxury, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Starting the countdown with number 7, Honda, $31.36 billion. Honda is a well-known Japanese automaker that produces power equipment and motorcycles. The company has earned an excellent reputation in the industry for its durability and delivery of high-quality automobiles worldwide. Honda is the 7th richest car brand in the world this year, with a brand value of $31.36 billion. Forbes reports that the company's value dropped slightly from $33.10 billion last year. In 1986, Honda was the first Japanese firm to launch a luxury brand. Acura was the name of this premium brand. This company's vehicle models include around 7 luxury auto types, SUVs, and others. Honda is much more than simply a motorbike and automobile manufacturer. The corporation also operates a number of businesses around the world. It has subsidiary offices and factories in numerous places all over the world. Car buyers prefer Honda cars and machinery due to their durability, engine quality, and fuel economy. Honda has a market value of $45 billion, making it one of the world's largest automakers. Number 6, Porsche, $34.32 billion. When you hear the word Porsche, you think of a comfortable and luxurious car. In 2022, the company climbed to 6th place. It is valued at $34.32 billion in 2022, up from $33.91 billion in 2021. The company has produced excellent automobiles such as the Porsche 911, Porsche 996, Porsche 914, Porsche Carrera GT, Porsche 718 Spider, Porsche 356, and others over the years. Volkswagen owns Porsche, a company based in Germany. The firm was created in 1931 by Ferdinand Porsche, although the two have always been close. In 1969, Volkswagen and Porsche teamed up to create the Volkswagen-Porsche 916 and 914-6, which were very successful. The corporation now has 6 factories in various countries around the world. Porsche also owns 7,000 patents worldwide, with 400 new inventions submitted each year. So despite the fact that not everyone can afford to drive a Porsche, the company is still doing well. Number 5, Tesla, $36.97 billion. Tesla is well known throughout the world for producing affordable electric cars. It debuted its first vehicle, the Roadster, in 2009. This car and energy company is located in California, USA, and has grown to become the world's largest manufacturer of electric vehicles. Tesla's value increased by around 15% over the previous year, making it the world's 5th richest car company in 2022, with an overall brand value of $36.97 billion. The company has approximately 598 retailers worldwide. Tesla's car sales have increased in recent years. For example, in 2017, the company sold approximately 50,068 cars and anticipated selling approximately 293,000 cars in 2020. In 2022, the company expects to double its sales and generate $53.8 billion in annual revenue. Tesla will continue to rise in the ranks of the most valuable car company as it continues to produce fast, aesthetically pleasing, and cost-effective vehicles that provide a smooth driving experience. The organization's goal is to convert all internal combustion engine vehicles to electric vehicles. Elon Musk, a well-known CEO, is the primary Tesla shareholder, owning 22% of the company. Number 4. BMW, $40.50 billion. Bayerische Motor and Werk, BMW, is another German vehicle manufacturer that ranks fourth in terms of net worth. The corporation has effectively maintained its market position from the previous year. It is one of the world's largest automakers, producing high-quality motorcycles and luxury automobiles for its customers. The corporation is valued at an absurd $40.50 billion in 2022. However, although it is holding its position, its worth has decreased by $0.04 billion in comparison to prior years. BMW was founded in 1916 and has built an excellent reputation over the years, serving global markets from its headquarters in Munich, Germany. It produced its first car, the BMW 315s, in 1928 and has since produced some notable automobile models. It is now the world's largest motorcycle and automobile manufacturer. The BMW Group has about 31 factories and assembly plants in 15 countries, and it sells cars in more than 140 countries around the world. Number 3. Volkswagen, $47.02 billion. The German automaker Volkswagen was founded in 1937. The corporation is well known for producing iconic automobiles, which include the Bentley, Volkswagen Beetle, Golf GTI, Audi R6, Lamborghini Huracan, and others. Volkswagen also offers leasing, fleet management, and financial services in addition to manufacturing, developing, and marketing motorcycles and turbo gear. Forbes says that this company has passed many of its competitors, even though most of them are still trying to get back on their feet after the worldwide corona epidemic. In 2022, Volkswagen ranks third on the list of the world's richest car companies. The company's brand value is $47.02 billion, up $2 billion from the previous year. Currently, the company operates 136 factories in various parts of the world. Volkswagen designs, manufacture, and sell cars in over 150 countries. Last year, Volkswagen made about 8 million cars, which was second only to Toyota, which sold 10.5 million cars. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz, $58.2 billion. Mercedes-Benz is a well-known German luxury car manufacturer. It produces high-quality vehicles that are extremely comfortable. As a result, despite its high price and luxurious nature, Mercedes sells millions of units each year. With a brand value of $58.2 billion, the company will be the second richest car manufacturer in 2022. Mercedes' valuation has dropped by around $7 billion since last year, when it was valued at around $65 billion. The corporation, which has its headquarters in Germany, operates more than 90 factories globally. Mercedes is also on the cutting edge of most of the technological advances that the company has made over many decades of making cars. Number 1. Toyota, $59.47 billion. Toyota is the wealthiest and largest automaker in the world in 2022. It has surpassed Mercedes-Benz to take the lead. The company is the world's leading car manufacturer, with products sold all over the world. This is shown by the fact that the corporation sold the most automobiles globally. Toyota sold over 10.5 million cars in 2021. It sells an average of 8 million cars every year, which adds to its vast income. Toyota has sold the most cars of any automotive business, making it the largest car seller. The corporation has a worldwide presence, with its headquarters in Toyota City, Japan. Its brand value in 2022 is $59.47 billion, up from $58 billion in 2021. Kirchiro Toyota established Toyota Motor Corporation in 1937. Toyota is a historic car manufacturer that has blended contemporary and revolutionary technology to stay current and assure sustained customer luxury. Toyota engines are now fitted with either fuel-efficient combustion engines or hybrid engines, which are increasingly being employed in electric vehicles. It makes and sells a wide range of cars, including luxury cars and SUVs, minivans, buses, and trucks. That's all. These are the world's 10 wealthiest automotive companies in 2022. These car companies make billions of dollars, and the more popular they are, the more cars they sell on a daily basis. And as you might expect, the world's wealthiest car companies own some of the most popular car brands. Finally, the race to be the top vehicle manufacturer is never-ending, with competitors producing new cars every year in the hopes of gaining a larger market share. As a result, the battle will continue next year as it has in prior years. Which of these automakers is your favorite? Please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, give us big thumbs and subscribe to the channel so don't miss any of our upcoming videos.